Hi, Ivan here from Clubscraft, where we help sports coaches spend more time with their athletes. And thank you so much for being around for another Startup Diary. And this week, I have a bunch of cool things that I want to share. The first thing is that a lot of the workout build that I've been talking about for the last few weeks is coming along and has been done. So that's something I'm going to show you quite soon. The other thing is that I have applied for a developer account or to be included into the developer program by Garmin so that those workouts that you create in Clubscraft are going to be able to be exported to Garmin Connect, and then your athletes will be able to sync them to their smartwatches or their bike computers or whatever they are using so that they can then train based on your prescribed workout. So it's really cool and I'm really happy about it. It's still not really fully done. I'll show the things that are still missing, but for now let's head on and check it out. And this is the training portion of Clubscraft. So this is the calendar where you can see everything that's happening in your club. Every training session is recorded in this one screen. And now let's create one new training session and see how everything looks now. You can see on the top, we define a date and a location for your activity. We can give it a name. So let's say it's a speed workout and we want to be a run. So you have a selection of 7 different activity types at the moment, but we are going to add them as needed along the way. If you want, you can right away assign teams, members, or staff. So you can say, okay, everyone in the junior team is going to take part in this training session, but we want to include a few other members, and then you can just pick and choose whom you want to assign them, and you can say which staff members are going to be present. Everyone who has been selected either through the teams, individually, or in the training staff is going to see this activity in their calendar once it has been saved. Now let's go into the training builder. You can give your training session or this particular workout a name. That's going to be important because we will give you the option to save it as a template. And you can say this is going to be a fartlek. And now it's time for you to start building your workout. So of course we are going to warm up for let's say 5 minutes. You can use these buttons or you can type it in directly, and then we are going to have a build. Let's say 3 minutes of harder running, and then we will follow this up with a rest of 2 minutes so that our entire training warm-up routine is going to be 10 minutes long. Now we are going to go into the center part of our workout, and let's say that we want to have let's choose distance for this one. So we want to have a 1 kilometer of steady state running, followed by 1 minute of easy jog. And the cooldown is going to be just a cool down of 10 minutes. So basically what we did here is we've defined different parts of our workout, and then what we also can do is we can shift these things around. So if you want to start more quickly and then do a slighter warm up, or you can just drag and drop those things around. You can drag individual parts of a workout and put them where you want them to be. But let's say that we want it to be like this, and once you hit save, it's going to be added into your calendar, and everyone is going to be able to see it, that this is going to be at 9 a.m. at the HQ, and they are going to do speed workouts. And then for you and your coaches, it's going to tell you here as well that this is going to be the junior team who is going to take part. And then if it's the current date, if this workout, you open this workout, which is designed for the 18th of September. If it is the 18th of September, then you can just start the activity, and the application will then lead you through the individual steps, and you will just tick off the boxes and say, okay, this, the warm-up's done, the build is done, the rest is done, etc. These two things are still a work in progress, but I intentionally pushed out what I currently have because I didn't want to wait too long to have everything done, to have everything perfect. And that was basically the time where I was losing a lot of time, and users or clients couldn't use some features because I was just waiting for this one little piece to be done. So yeah, this is already available in Clubscraft, and you can go and use it right away. So yeah, thank you so much for sticking around for this longer video. I really hope that you are as excited for this workout builder and this new training schedule designer as I am, because I think it's going to be really cool once I implement everything into one place. And I keep my fingers crossed that Garmin is going to give me the thumbs up so that I can join their developer program this week, and then I can start integrating also some other stuff like the intensity on which you want to base your training sessions. This is going to be heart rate, power, pace, or something else. So I'm really excited about all of these, because now it's coming along, and it's really becoming the application that I really wanted it to be. So stay tuned for the next update, and see you then. Bye bye.